how to use referral code on Shein. So if you want to use referral code on Shein, then first open up your Shein application and make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then go for me, which is on the bottom right. Tap on me and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, and under your more services, you can simply swipe right, and here you will have share and earn. Tap on that, and here you will have your referral code option, right? This is your referral code, which you can share with your friends. You can simply copy it or tap on others, and you can send it to your friends through your social media apps. So you can simply go with Facebook or Instagram or anything, and then you can share it, and you can use the referral code. So that's how you can use your referral code on Shein. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.